Welcome to Law Offices of Lal Varghese. We are located in Dallas, Texas, United States of America. You can contact us at our WhatsApp number +1 972 556 1109. Repeating +1 972 556 1109. You can also contact us at our email address attyl@aol.com. Repeating attyl@aol.com. Remember, US time is 12 hours behind Indian time, and the best time to contact us on the phone is between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. Indian time. If you are unable to contact us during this time frame, you are welcome to send us an email and we will be happy to reply to your email within 24 hours. Please remember, under the laws here, we are not allowed to give you case-specific answers or legal advice without retaining this law firm. If you would like to have case-specific legal advice, you need to contact us by email and we will be happy to review your case and review the documents and do the legal research and provide our legal advice. In this episode, I'm going to discuss about visas for nurses. There are two types of visas. One is non-immigrant visas and other one is the immigrant visas. Non-immigrant visas allow a nurse to come to America and work here for a temporary period of time, while immigrant visa allows a nurse to come to America and get the green card and work here permanently and stay here permanently. Unfortunately, there is no specific category for nurses. There used to be a category called H1A nurse category, but that category is no longer available. The nurses can try H1B visa category, but unfortunately the entry-level educational requirement to work as a nurse in any country, including United States, is not bachelor's degree in nursing. That means a general nursing diploma holder also can work as a nurse. So H1B visa is not specifically meant for nurses, but if you can find a position like a nurse manager, nurse anesthetist, nurse practitioner, which requires a minimum bachelor's degree in nursing or master's degree in nursing with a certification or specialization, you can try for an H1B visa for to come to America and work here for a temporary period of time. In some states, like North Dakota, the minimum requirement to work as a nurse is bachelor's degree, so you can try in such states to find an employer to work on sponsor you for H-1B visas. But that is not a good option at this time because H-1B visas, only 65,000 visas are available every year, and the US immigration receives about 300,000 petitions for these 65,000 visas. The best option for nurses from any country in the world is to find an employer who can sponsor them directly for green card. All countries in the world except China and India, there is no waiting period. So if you are a nurse born in any country other than China and India, and if you are lucky enough to find an employer to sponsor you, you can be here in America probably within 10 to 12 months and obtain your green card and stay here permanently and work here permanently. Most of the people think that if you work in any other country other than India, like in Middle East or Ireland or England or Australia or Canada, even though you are born in India, you can come to America immediately. No, this is purely a misunderstanding. And we understand that a lot of agencies and attorneys come to Middle East and other countries, including India, and represent that you can be in America within a year or so. No, the waiting period for nurses born in India is 10 years right now. But if you are born in any other country other than India, there is no waiting period. So the first option is to find an employer who requires a nurse, but it will be very difficult to find an employer who wants you to work for them after 10 years. It is because you are born in India. But if your children are born in any country other than India and they are qualified as nurse with a bachelor's degree or master's degree in nursing, and also if they have passed in NCLEX, you can obtain the information about NCLEX examination, NCLEX, from their website. If you Google the words NCLEX, NCLEX, you can obtain information about NCLEX examination and the testing centers and all those things over there. If you obtain the qualification like a bachelor's degree in nursing or master's degree in nursing, and you have an NCLEX exam passed, you are qualified to work as a nurse in America. If you are lucky enough to find an employer, remember I told you, they don't prefer nurses from India because the waiting period from India is 10 years. But there is a good news that the Congress, the House, has passed a law to do away with the per country quota for employment visa category. So if that law bill is also passed by the Senate in the near coming days, then India also there won't be any waiting period for nurses from India also. So the best thing is find an employer who needs a nurse, pass the NCLEX examination, have at least bachelor's degree in nursing or master's degree in nursing, pass NCLEX examination, find an employer and ask them to file a petition to sponsor you to obtain an immigrant visa. The employer must file the petition with the US Immigration with all supporting documents from both the employer and the nurse. The US Immigration may take about 79 months or maybe more than that because of the delay due to COVID pandemic to process the petition and approve it. Then the approved petition will be forwarded to the National Visa Center for immigrant visa processing, and finally to schedule the interview at the US consulate or embassy or in India or in any country where you are living. You appear for the interview with all your original documents and evidence, and if the consular officer is satisfied that you are a qualified nurse with a bachelor's degree or master's degree, and the employer is qualified to sponsor you and the position is still available. This is very important, especially after 10 years, because the employer is filing the petition 10 years right now. You may be going for the interview after 10 years or 12 years from today. So the employer may need to give you an offer letter and the position should be still available. Then you appear for the interview and everything goes well. The consular officer will retain your passport. Your spouse and unmarried children under 21 also can immigrate with you and get the green card also. Before you depart from your country, you need to remit a green card fee of $220 per person. And once you are here, you will get the green card and Social Security card in the mail, and you can stay and work here permanently. Again, you can contact us at our WhatsApp number +1 972 556 1109. Repeating, +1 972 556 1109. Or you can contact us at our email address attyllal@aol.com. Repeating, attyllal@aol.com. We wish you all a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. Thank you for watching this episode. Thank you.